Ebusuafo be chiachi obia ma yine ho akwaba e de baba Grace TV so this is a trade ampo nyankopɔ adom obia ho ye ebusua mesere so be kan wo platform so subscribe ma me wadaroma na what turn notification na fi wa share ama foforo so enya bi ahwɛ me so be etinya me share na wonya so akoma so ade emfama ebusua yi na yinim ensem a be abosomi nsia ene nakakra ni ene ye manga no bi abekobia ye di nkomo that lumba ehuachi na obeka ya Kumasi High Court Ibuai say that the lumba and yama me Akosua Serwaa awade ya eye ordinance and as a civil marriage e jama rich memno onintum na de ogitum eye ma me Akosua Serwaa and that lumba wo mo customary marriage fi awade ye koso e wa fi apem hankunu de kunu ba ko 1991 e wo Kumasi bom so e na obetrem so Odobroni so that lumba awade no ogitum esan say afim premium any do Bosumi 9 ne de to so do 10th of April 2010 that lumba ni Odobroni ware e wo fi awade e that lumba fi ye won kran tantra hell na on se bra court bu asem wo no bebre na ebi kura be kasa e wa bonten se omo de court asem obu aye obu a se ma me Akosua se onye ne court awade o Germany ma huntum na omo de so bo na bolo ya Kusi na wuti omo anu chechiem so omo de so bo bolo ya Kusi omo ase omo kan na ne se na wo se ya Kusi etwe kata e de ko German oko German memu a Ghana ambassador ho e de ko pe authentication bi ya no aba ya Kusi anye nti na omo so bo no e bo na busia yame adom yensa kakrata bi na krata yensa aka no e krata lawyer Kusi ye ma me Akosua Serwaa lawyer otwe de koma the Ghana ambassador of Germany say omo authenticate e ma me Akosua Serwaa na wade enkrata no esan se de Ghana brama ho kwan no mo de ba bidi adanse e wo court na se omo a e ka se lawyer Kusi na we so yi bibi na wanye ni na no e bia na omo nim anase bia na omo nte but nyame adom yensa kakrata bia abetodwa krata no date also 3rd November 2025. Sadana lawyer Kusi tray e de koma Ghana ambassador of Germany say anka authenticate ye ma me Akosua se under number wale enkrata. Na say yes bia lawyer no wanye say the people some chese o basic law knowledge was enkoye na wanye na entisa oye na the thing say also what tray krata no e de koye yensa krata no bi wa hase e de koma the Ghana ambassador of Germany na omo tray ko edi na kakra ansa na omo ti omo nka omuti omo nkan so ade a omo say omo ni omo na yes ade na omo refer omo dum ba Ghana ha foreign affairs ministry ba hanso a say entiase ne we was the oye was we ntimi nye we anye ha the administration gap bi na course so ama authentication ntimi ankoso nti nyese bia lawyer Kusi na say the because we die ma me Akosua Serwaa hwamo no entesa yitumira ni a trace nti we de yemfa krata no aye ka no ento afidie ne so na ebusuafo na entiase ye enti enko na daso dada Dominion Chambers barristers and solicitors nti ene daso no omo address ni bibia Kumasi adum ena omo ewo enti we krata no a 3rd November 2025 ena krata e call the Ghana ambassador of Germany enti yen the ambassador of Ghana to the Federal Republic of Germany, Berlin, Germany, na say ana omo twa koma Your Excellency, request for certification of documents. I say, onimonyam for openikese ye twekata di abase be ya ye nkrata bia ekura ye no ubetim so amaye na edimu se de Ghana mra etie nti okenkan ya o say we act as solicitors for and on behalf of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, who is the surviving spouse of the legendary Ghanaian music icon Charles Fosu aka Dadilumba, on whose instructions we write specifically requesting your office to certify official documents emanating from the Federal Republic of Germany. Let's say, Ghana ambassador of Germany, no, the office, one running for Museum, the Amaya Akosua Serwaa Fosu. That's the Lumba. Now, the engine check out and say, almost Rasenka office, na Ghana ambassador of Germany. One emwa na omuntintin kata, Mama Akosua Serwaa kata bia, what the kata, that number what the kata. Every Germany about Ghana no muntintim so say the Ghana marshal nanka enimu na court nyintum after also me say Your Excellency, our client is currently engaged in a legal suit for which it has become necessary for her to reproduce a German marriage certificate in court. And they say or say the client Mama Akosua Serwaa says yeah court nse mi bata no yeah enunti e hye ne say also na what the enkrata ya jama awade nkrata na odeba court na ebedi adanse awade nkrata na nsa kae ɛwɔ Germany mfie kakra ya atwam ɛkorɔ ɛno nti ɛna aba ne saa deɛ ɛtoa so bi wɔ say which certificate she acquired some years ago from the Federal Republic of Germany as a result of her monogamous marriage she celebrated with her deceased husband Charles Kojofosu aka Daddy Lumba na sɛ awadeɛ nkrataa ne nsa kae wɔ Germany mamu ɛbrɔ ne kunu Daddy Lumba ɛwade awade prɛko court deɛ no yɛ awade prɛko nti ware bi nka ho no ɛno na wɔn sɛ sɛ nka mpanyinfoɔ wɔn fa ntintim so ma wɔn na ɛnnim afei ɛtoa so wɔ sɛ Your Excellency, this request has arisen as a result of mandatory statutory requirement by Ghanaian laws which demand that foreign documents that are to be tendered into evidence at trial in any Ghanaian court be accompanied with a certificate of authentication from a diplomatic agent accredited to that country. And so this Ghana manager said, "Secretary bi anase bibi, enkrataa bi from my friend bi so aba Ghana, abedi adanseɛ anase abɛboa nkyerɛmu ɛwɔ Ghana yɛn kɔɔto atemmuo mu a ɛho bɛnya sɛ ɔman no a ɛfiri mu aba no mpanyinfoɔ de wɔn nsa bɛhyɛ aseɛ na ama no adi mu nti ɛwɔ Germany nti wɔsɛ diplomatic agent a yɛaccredit to that country na sɛ ɔkɔ Germany mu a Ghana aban na mu si ne ɔwɔ no yɛ de diplomatic agent a ɔhɔ a wɔsi Ghana aban anan wɔ hɔ ɛnam sɛ ɔmo ware yɛ wɔ Germany. Now, the country for Germany, Ghana, Bayana, we see near Germany. Yeah, Ghana ambassador to the Federal Republic of Germany. No, and who been yes, what means a team so. I'm on a dim and Sana, I court no, Ghana court no, Ajatum. I say, which in the instant case is your office, since the said document is emanating from the German government. The same can watch him say it was some prim kata who here or shady. A Ghana ambassador to Germany, or no, and Russia ne say ɔntintim so na enimu ɔkyɛ awadeɛ nkrata no ansa na timi abedi mu wɔ court na di adanseɛ ɛwɔ yɛn Ghana court a avo say ɔto say Your Excellency, for the avoidance of doubt and for the purposes of legal precision, section 161 clause 1 and 2 of the Evidence Act 1975 NRCD 323 states that okay section 161 what share no express ano. And the section 161, foreign official signatures. Say, a signature is presumed to be genuine and authorized if its purpose to be the signature affixed in an official capacity of an official of an international public entity or a state or a public entity in a state recognized by Ghana, and the writing to which the signature is affixed is accompanied by a certification of the genuineness of the signature and official position of the person who executed the writing. Na say that all can say krataa bi sa abedi mu a na ɛwɔ sɛ mpanyinfo bi nsa ɛhyɛ aseɛ mpanyinfo bi ma kwan mu authorize na no na medical aka sɛ saa micro na efiri mu aba no Ghana aban agent ana musini wɔ hɔ sɛ mpo Ghana aban na musini bi ni hɔ a Commonwealth nation and as a Commonwealth and I'm seeing your home to such as here. Yeah, a boy Emma and also a demo home. And at this point in time, when I cut time, free Germany abano. None the quine swan said the Ghana ambassador to Germany or means something team so I'm a cutting in a demo and sound it maybe the dance here. Our court. After to us, let us mean the same. The certification must be signed and sealed by a diplomatic agent of Ghana or of a Commonwealth country who is assigned or accredited to that country. And it is simple. Ghana Ghana we see be what's our mind and as a Commonwealth mind be and also one name we see what's our or sefata. So also separating inside 18 teams so the back Ghana na ebedimu. But unfortunately, bra when for the acquisition so check they call the Ghana ambassador. Yeah, Ghana embassy or Germany ambassador hono. E di na kaka ansa na ye return and as ye reply or message no. Omo reply message so omo chom so there be omo nya bibi sa na omo mra foreign affairs ministry or Ghana say omo buy answer na akwa bibi ho. Enti ni na ka ho administration gap. There will be here there be adwuma ya hye nsase wonye na bia wanya na wonhye da nim ho said we be sia ye nti na ni na ka ho bia ama omo antimi authenticate ye ma me Akosua Serwaa that number awade nkata no ama amedimu e court edu kenkan ni na after we say hence from the foregoing would need your office to authenticate with certification affixed the following documents in Qatar na lawyer Kusi ene Dominion Chambers lawyers exam the my Akosua Serwaa now more say the Ghana ambassador of Germany and as a Ghana embassy here Germany ambassador dano everything team so ama omo na dey kan a copy of the German marriage certificate of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu. That's a Mama Akosua Serwaa that lumba or German awade enkrata na ye baako. Ye to so me a copy of the translation of the Cert marriage certificate by the Ghana Institute of Languages. There's a brown moko dane in seven say German kasa over Ghana so the official language e brofo. Into moko dane also moko dane seven na the back official language e buya man Ghana which is English language. So moko dane na we translate call English no. And so who be here say sabi office you be team so that is what demo. And after the toss be a copy of confirmation letter from the German embassy in Ghana concern the genuineness of the German marriage certificate of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu. Also, and some no question no German embassy or Ghana had the di dance yes I no correct. The craft about want me who be na German kasa wom and I'm translated by English. I'm cast I'm that do ba na ma Akosua Serwaa. Omo ware with Germany abroach memo. Yeah, and no cry no. It's a born on say be refi cry omo ware. But kata no trade with the dance yes ampa. That do ba na ma Akosua Serwaa. Omo ware with German abroach memo. Yeah, German mara ejitum. And this kata no mpo the German embassy or Ghana ha the buy no. Na obe yan say Ghana. Aban so na am senior or Germany. Also be team so. Now doing about the dance here court. So track out and we know. And also we hope this humble request will be duly executed with alacrity, given the inadequacy of time on our part, and do accept our apologies for giving you short notice. We hope to hear from your office soon. And to a training not just when you was last step, did you pass it? And when we are a office of the Ghana embassy here or Germany, ambassador here or Germany, na nka ni moni mu ya omo aboa na nka omo ho aye ha na authentication bi ese fata se omo ye no omo aye na motimi de craft aba be dia dance o court sense o hwe nsem no a court nsem na content temper within some short time court di asem na bi because of say na abusua person mu say you no metimi aye na so omo ntimi nye no and na say authentication bi mpo be free Germany aba na ho be hia say empanyufo ye omo dwuma no omo ho aye ha ye ntempa na timi awie di ntem na lawyers team dia back court abedi ginama dia dance e dia maya ma nto mo twe kata yin na wie no mo se ka ho se omo pampanyimfo ache opase we die ko mbetimi aye ntem ka mo pa ache so se akoye a bit short notice akoye as ntem so na ni na se court di asem no ya o di asem ni woni we ya na wabu an ntem na ho behia so basa no twe we no so we hope to hear from your office soon. Thank you. And your Dominion Chambers William Kusi Esquire ya ojinamu e my mama Akosua Serwaa Fosu sister Emerendis, Work 9, Bohem, short term 5332, Germany, and a cutaway. Where I could try or the Mamma Akosua Serwaa Blessing account. Omo na say, oh, I did quite basic knowledge in law, say, a cat be from mindful for so abba, or mindful for so different destination, and I say different location, and who be here say, you bit me near team so you be authenticate into lawyer no anymore say and you say be a lawyer no anymore oh yeah and I dance here evidence doesn't lie I dance here na yedin na ache no otu sa na mo ni na say body ka catch no and they be told you say na afi omo twe koma the Ghana embassy e wo Germany the di na kakra omo nyanti omo nka it took some days after omo ti omo nka no omo so sa refer omo so omo family foreign affairs ministry e wo Ghana omo the buy house na akọ ebibi ho it's no more describe this how the course need say a administration gap yeah we I didn't say na was me we didn't say was we na ye enti ni na ka na ma Ghana for bi kura wo Germany e the petition you be kai am the be so ni na say Ghana for bi wo Germany aka bom e the petition akoma Ghana ban say omo a no petition omo ka we so ka be say Ghana ban mo a na musifo wa ma ho dos no omo nyina hu omo dwuma di e se fata so omo di e the fast authenticating krata because ebia anka call Ghana embassy here or Germany ambassador hono and if they were informed with proper guidelines say oh can't use abba money mo say na esem we no and come here in temper ma lawyer timi be dia dance here e wo court ye de maye maame e ban kundi ye maame Akosua Serwaa dia nti what is bobo lawyer Kusi enye na the bobo maame Akosua Serwaa enye but say na lawyer Kusi name e panyifo bi term no say administration gap na say na wo say bia aban mu panyifo dwuma bi ese omo ye na ebia ne ma twentwen na ase kakra ene ma we na akobai nti abusua we are here to set the record straight the entesa na entesa the entesa na entesa tin se mama for count na say there be ene mu an nyame adom ko pien krata yi so na wo hwe bra nye se bia ye di asem na wie nti na krata ya ba abontion krata we wo hwe date that's why 3rd November 2025 saa bere ni enye mu asem san say November ending na court bu asem and na say omo twe e de koy na ne terms na nsem wantimi abedu a e ma we nyina e ba enti mesre nyame nka nyina ho na onu nyina nti ase ye nipa ba ko de bi ameka asem na ba na ye cheche ya dwen e no ntre say ya tamfo kai say nyumako bi adaroma e na so ya sene medicine bro di kai obi trading enterprise o Kumasi South Central Junction o pata de papa o papa ni perfume papa misro to mechanical obi trading enterprise e was South Central Junction e ho na ye nyina ye kom perfume no gu ho a ba bia na bia obi ate efro sounds na American for Better Grace Financial Services at the amount e for insurance ones and some financial assistance they ba ko pay e will be asking another Better Grace Financial Services Ghana for mo hwe me free Germany some Ghana for mo America and Ghana for madam mo Canada Better Grace Financial Services and number one insurance group out the whole bata mo a abebia obetum pon wo mo si ska na ko ho me gym na ko ba se wo hiska but sika boom the amount na sika botam the amount tax free umpewe na edien na opɛ bra no mo si sika na so ma na da sum na so nyama no mpare how the amane bi ba na wontimi nya adwuma bi ma o ma behwɛ wo akɔpɛ mi sɛ sabi Mr. Meka obe nyame dia na o man so ebewi suapon umpewe edien na opɛ embo bia woni Canada ana woni America bi na embom wo Japade ho okra ho nkata o si sika ho so se fata say on the Better Grace Financial Services etu anamon Better Grace Financial Services na o say financial freedom for everyone financial freedom for everyone. Ebusi yame da say oje bread na hwe me bread pa me besia. Yame nka ho. Be dey the kwabena wusu. Makra. Bye bye.